Okay, so it comes on, and we found that we have power down here. We have power at the plug. If we wiggle this plug slightly, it cuts off. So there's got to be something wrong on the inside, so we're going to take it apart and see if it's something we can fix. Alright, good. Pop this off. Turn it over. It looks like we have a pretty small Allen wrench screw here. We'll take this one out. Another Allen wrench screw here. And unplug that. And this is the port. And I don't know if you can see that, but those 2 feet right there are broken loose, and that's where it gets its 12 volts. So we need to solder those back, and it should fix the problem. Alright, that looks good. I think that'll do it. Plug it all back in. Alright, we'll put it back together. Alright, that's back together. Plug it in and try it out. Looking good. Wiggle the plug and it doesn't cut off anymore. So I think we're good. Should be no other problems from here on out. Short film, thanks for watching. We'll have some more videos posting up soon. And please subscribe and comment. Thanks a lot.